How to see HDFC debit card number online. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's begin. Unfortunately, you cannot see the whole debit card number online through HDFC mobile banking or web. This is to ensure your security and to prevent hackers from finding your debit card number in case your ID is hacked. You can only see your first number and last four numbers on the device, which is also for your benefit. This will ensure that any transactions made are done by you and not by other fraudulent individuals. So, how can you access your HDFC card detail online? First, log into your HDFC account using your customer ID and password on the website or on the app. Tap on Accounts. Under Accounts, go to Cards. Under Cards, go to Debit Cards. You will see the first and last four digits of your cardholder's name, expiration date, balance, and other details. But you cannot see the entire number of your debit card. For this, you have to go to your bank and consult the customer care and ask them personally. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.